Hey guys, it's MacLover65 and I have a Sephora haul. Yeah, it's a small bag. I got 4 items, but I wanted to show you what I got, and I'm feeling a lot better. I'm not sick anymore. Thank the Lord I'm not sick anymore. But anyway, just keep watching to see what I got from Sephora. Okay, so the first thing that I got, oops, I accidentally bumped that. But the first thing that I got was actually from my boyfriend, and he knows I love Hello Kitty, and he knows I love MAC, and I know this brush is fake because I can look at the design on it and tell by the chips and stuff on the, kind of like the paint, because I know MAC would never sell this. But it's just like a little kabuki brush, and actually for like the brush quality, the bristles of the brush are so soft. Like, and I mean, a brush is a brush, and I absolutely love this brush. It's so soft, and it's really, really cute. I mean, look at that. That's adorable. It says Hello Kitty on it, and I really, really like that. It was really sweet of him. It says MAC. It says Hello Kitty on it, so I really like it. And it was so sweet of him to even think of me and get it. And then he also got, it came with like a little pouch to put your brush in. Had Hello Kitty on it. So that was really, really sweet of him, and I really, really like it, and it was really sweet. So that is now on to the stuff I got from Sephora. So in my last Sephora haul, when I was terribly, terribly sick, I mentioned that I had gotten a sample of Laura Mercier's foundation in Blush Ivory. And I tried it out today, and I absolutely love it. It made my skin look so healthy and so amazing. It's oil-free, so if you have oily skin, which I kind of have like a combo, but some foundations just don't work very well with my skin, so I really want to try this, and it looks so natural and so flawless, and just some foundations are just too matte for my face and make my face look like just dead. And since my face is so light, just like because I'm very, very light, this foundation worked so well. And it's Laura Mercier oil-free foundation, and it comes in a box like this. This is $42, so it's on more of the expensive side of it, but I have to say it's very well worth it. And it comes in a bottle like this, and there's your product. I like how clean the bottle looks. It just looks very, I know, it's kind of weird to say about a bottle, but it just looks kind of elegant. It says Laura Mercier on it, and it looks like that. And you twist off the lid, and there's a pump. So that's very nice to have. And twist the lid back on, but it just looks very, very nice, and I love the color. I'm wearing it today, and it made my skin look very like healthy and everything. And I've blown my nose quite a bit today since I am still kind of sick a little bit. And actually, like, it did not come off at all. So I was very impressed by this, so definitely go pick this up if you can. It is the winter months, and everyone knows that everyone knows that the worst fear in winter, well, at least my worst fear in winter, is getting really chapped lips, besides getting sick. It's getting really chapped lips, and it comes along with being sick. As your lips get so chapped, they dry out, they crack, they start to bleed, it hurts, your lips look horrible, you put lipstick on, and you're just like, ew, this looks so bad. So I picked up, I've heard so many good things about it. It is very expensive for a lip balm, I think, but I want to say that it is like, I put it on my lips, and my lips feel 100 times better. I've put on MAC Lip Tinted Conditioner. I put on Hello Kitty conditioner. I've put on Burt's Bees. I put on like every single like lip balm, gloss, conditioner for my lips to help just like the cracking and everything. It would not work. This is from Sephora, and it's called Fresh, and it's Sugar Advanced Therapy. Now they have one that is $22, but this was $25 because it is an advanced therapy, and it's it helps repair, smooths wrinkles, and nourishes and enhance volume. And it comes just in this really cute package. It says sugar on it. And I think that it's worth the money that you pay. Most people be like, oh my gosh, it's just like it literally is a clear lip balm. They do have other shades. You can actually get tinted, but I just wanted clear so I could put lipstick over it. But it looks like that, and it smells like honey and lemon. It just comes in like this white tube, and you twist it to open it, and it's just like a very compact little tube. But I really think it is worth the money, and if it really helps my lips, this will be something that I will use year-round because I always want to have soft, I can't even talk, soft, pretty lips, and I know everyone always wants soft, pretty lips, so I highly recommend that you go out and at least try the Sugar Lip Conditioner. And then I got something from Torino Tarantino. I can say her name now. Thumbs up for me. But Torino Tarantino, and it's a water eye pencil. I was wondering if it's waterproof. Huh, didn't know that. Yes, it is waterproof. And this is in Crystal Gun, and the box is just uber cute. And I got it in, of course, I already said it, but it's Crystal Gun. And her packaging is so cute. This was $15, so that's really good for an eyeliner, especially that you get this much of it. And her eyeliners are so soft and so creamy. And I think that they've redone the formula on everything, because I seem to really like their eyeliner formula. And they actually had this like in, I think, a Sephora's Favorite a while ago. But they said it was so creamy and so soft, so I had to try it out. But I wanted to use this to brighten my inner corner. And if you can see that right there, I mean, look how like white and pigmented that is. That's gorgeous. So I would look really forward to using this. Looks amazing. And then this I was really excited about. I have another one, and this is in Delightful. And it is their Jewel Shadow Palette. Comes in like really cute. And the last time I paid $22 for this, and I mean, I was like, okay, $22, whatever, it's eyeshadow. I paid $22 for this last time, and I looked at the price tag this time, and it was $18. So I was like, oh my gosh, that's a really good deal, and I'm just gonna have to pick one up. And I really wanted a brown like eyeshadow one. I have pinks and purple on my other one. This is in Delightful. I love the packaging. She has adorable packaging. Of course, you get a big mirror. And then these are the colors. Isn't that just gorgeous? That is so pretty, and they're so pigmented, and I really love these. So that was what I got from Torino Tarantino. So that was my little Sephora haul, and I hope you guys liked it. Please like the video, please subscribe, and leave a comment below. I would really appreciate it. And I will see you guys. Oh, also, go follow me on Twitter. I will leave my link below. You will know when I am first to upload videos, or post a contest like video, or when I'm asking for requests. And yeah, you can just follow me on Twitter. I post pictures and stuff like that. So anyway, I will see you guys later. Have an awesome day. Bye.